Hey, Top Gun Options traders, Matt Buckley, call sign Wiz, the primary model portfolio manager here at Top Gun Options. First of all, I wanted to say welcome aboard. You made a great decision, as you can tell, hopefully by the Green Mountain Coffee trade that I sent out today. You're giving us a great test flight during a great time. We are just knocking the cover off the ball here, but more importantly, wanted to give you a quick site tour to let you know how to navigate around. Obviously, you can click on the Primary Archives tab, and that's where you're going to get all the primary archives. Make sure you download the OPCL, the Options Pocket Checklist, and also the Primary Workbook. These things are indispensable to your training. The OPCL is a sweet piece of gear, and so is the Primary Workbook, and it's some great stuff. The first thing you really want to do is, take a good look at primary and go through primary class 1 all the way down to the end of primary class 6. And then you can also take a look at the live trade brief tab, and you can see all the previous live trade briefs by clicking briefs. Like you can watch the live trade brief from this week, from Tuesday morning, where we placed a trade on VXX that is already up $1,500 in 3 days in the model portfolio, and we'll take a look at that. Make sure you get in the ready room. Interact with other traders and our professional traders in the ready room. Ask any questions that you have, and we'll interact back and forth. And obviously, to enter the live trade briefs on Tuesday mornings at 0900, all you have to do is click on Briefing Room under the Live Trade Brief tabs, and click Briefing Room, and you can go ahead and enter there. Obviously, we send you reminders via email, and you can click on the link in the reminder email as well. But you can just click on this link, enter that password, and you'll have access Tuesday morning to the live trade briefs. This tag cloud over here is pretty cool. If you like trading Apple, click Apple, and up is going to pop every topic that we recently have talked about or traded at Top Gun Options. Recent iron condor on Apple, a live trade brief, and so on and so forth. So you can, if you like Google, type Google in here, click go, and it'll show you all the recent trade alerts and live trade briefs for Google as well. So that's a great feature as well. You can check out our blog, got some great posts on here as well, and our trade alert tab. Hopefully everybody got that trade alert today on Green Mountain Coffee Roasters. That was a pretty good trade. And you click on the alerts tab. So trade alerts, and then you can take a look at the alerts here. And we'll make sure the GMCR trade is up there because that just got sent out. But let's take a look real quick at the model portfolio before the market opens and we get hit with the job numbers, good or bad. We put on Green Mountain Coffee Roaster today, and it was a bull put spread. We sold 35 of the May 25s and bought 35 of the May 22 puts as a hedge, and it made 11.5% today, or $455. So not too bad for a one-day trade there in Green Mountain Coffee Roaster. So hopefully you got into that one, and if you didn't, it's still a good trade. The strategic mindset is still sound. We have a better than 50% chance. We have a 55% chance of keeping that entire premium of about $4,000, and it's a short-term trade. It expires in May, and obviously theta or time decay helps us out in this trade, right? So each day that goes by, if you look down here on the Trade Monster platform and see theta, it's just every day we're getting money in our pocket to the tune of, as we get towards expiration week, about $250, $300 a day. So love this GMCR trade. Go ahead and take a look at it. If you didn't get it, it should be in your email inbox. And like I said, the VXX trade that we put on in the model portfolio is up nearly $1,500 since Tuesday, Wednesday, and I'm talking to you Thursday night. So up 28% or $1,500 in 3 days. Not too shabby. So you're going to love the live trade, Brees. I'm actually flying out Sunday night to Brazil. So our advanced trader, Doug Robertson, is going to be holding my slot or conducting the live trade brief this Tuesday morning, because I'll be working with some folks down in Brazil, and I will be back the next Tuesday. But I'll still be getting 2 trade alerts out next week as well for you. Let's take a look. Since I took over the model portfolio on March 1st from our previous primary trader, so from March 1st to today, May 3rd, the model portfolio has gained over $11,000 in 2 months. That's some pretty good work in my opinion. So about $5,500 a month we're averaging in the past 2 months in model portfolio profit. So very happy with that. Happy with the performance. More than anything, I'm happy that you're giving us a test flight in this market, in these market conditions where this is just great. It's like shooting fish in a barrel with the way volatility is moving around. So you joined up with a good wingman. So proud to have you aboard. If you need anything, contact us in the Ready Room. If you're interested in one-on-one coaching with either myself or Doug or either of us, one-on-one coaching, no kidding, is the quickest way to accelerate your trading experience. You can just click on the Wingman Coaching tab. There's a 855 number that you can call and talk to one of our Wingman Coaching consultants. It's right there, 855-352-6581, or you can shoot Jack Schwartz an email. Right there, jack.schwartz at wealthcreationinvesting.com. So, folks, going to be a big day tomorrow with the jobs report. I'll shoot another quick video for an end of the week recap of how the week went. And then, like I said, I'm going to be off to Brazil, and I'll be back at the end of the week. So you'll be in good hands with Doug, and I'll send a couple primary trade alerts from down there in Sao Paulo. So happy hunting. Make sure you hedge, and let's see what the jobs numbers do tomorrow. Have a great Friday and a great weekend.